Have you ever noticed in almost every single fight between a man and a woman, there's this one woman who will jump in and say, "She's so dramatic. I don't trust women." Honestly, I think he's right. Why does this happen? Why do so many women side with men, even when they see the other woman clearly hurting, explaining herself, and is to some context she's clearly right? Is it internalized misogyny? Is it trauma? Conditioning, maybe? What is it? Or is it something deeper? Let's talk about it. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Ika, your online best friend. Today we're going to talk about something that each and every woman on this planet has experienced, but not enough people discuss about it. Why women sometimes stand with men more than they stand with other women. And before I start, this is not a man hating video. What did I say? This is not a man hating video. Am I clear? This is not a women good, men bad conversation. It's not that. This is an honest, nuanced breakdown of a pattern that shows up globally. So let's dive in. From the time girls are young, they are taught, be nice, तेज से मत बात करो, drama मत create करो, don't upset your brother, boys will be boys, men won't like you if you're too loud, too opinionated, don't do it. बाहर जाना है तो भाई के साथ जाओ, अकेले मत जाओ. And slowly the message becomes, if you want safety, approval, align yourself with a man. This conditioning is so subtle, the women don't even realize they're doing it. And when a boy misbehaves, he gets excused. Of course. अरे ये तो लड़का है जी, अरे इनकी तो उम्र है जी. And when a girl reacts, they get judged. And that happens at every age. And so. इतना भी कि एक 10 साल की बच्ची को, एक 15 साल की बच्ची को, एक 40 साल की आंटी जज कर रही है. हाउ इज दैट फेयर? तुम अपने लड़के को जज कर रही हो क्या? इट्स सो फनी. एंड मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही कि जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ, ये मेरे साथ हुआ है, ये मेरी बहन के साथ हुआ है. शी वॉज जज बाय अ 40-year-old आंटी बिकॉज जब वो 10 साल की थी एंड उसका फ्रेंड ग्रुप सारा 10 years का था, तो वो लड़कों के साथ खेलती थी. 4 लड़कियां थी, 8 लड़के थे, दे हैड अ ग्रुप. तो शी वॉज जज्ड बाय हर. सो सोच रहे हो, दिस इज आवर इंडियन सोसाइटी. So anyways, women grow up thinking that men's feeling matter more and siding with them becomes second nature. Let's be honest, men reward women who take their side. And if a girl says, I'm not like other girls, I only get along with guys, chill, I don't get offended. Men immediately go, oh, she's cool, she's one of the guys, it's okay, she's chill. And guess what? That approval becomes addictive. Because women who stand with other women are labeled as too dramatic, feminist, emotional. And women who stand with men are called easygoing, chill, one of the bros. Reasonable. How can we forget reasonable? So naturally, women choose the path of least resistance. Do you know I'm only friends with guys, girls? Everyone knows this girl. And I'm sorry, beloved, if you don't know that girl, you might have been her at some point. She proudly says, I don't get along with girls. Girls are full of drama. I don't resonate with girls. Now, why does she say that? Have you ever thought about it? Because somewhere deep inside, she has learned that femininity is equals to weakness, masculinity is equal to strength, maybe, and male approval is, of course, safety. Women friendships require empathy, kindness, vulnerability, and this scares people who avoid dealing with them. And meanwhile, being one of the boys requires nothing, just laugh at their jokes. So these women distance other women not because कि वो drama करती हैं, but because being close to these women forces them to maybe explore their own emotions, and वो करना नहीं चाहती. And that's why these women will side with men without even thinking twice. Men tell their stories very convincingly. वो stories हमारी तरह नहीं बनाते. They reduce the layers. वो अपनी accountability situation से remove ही कर देते हैं. खुद का पेन इतना emphasize करेंगे कि बस भाई पता ही नहीं. And the way they talk is very certain. उनका version एकदम clear होता है, one-sided होता है और logical होता है. And women on the other side, they explain with nuance. बात वो नहीं थी, बात मैं इसलिए बुरा नहीं फील कर रही थी, इसलिए उदास नहीं थी, इट वॉज एवरीथिंग टुगेदर. मुझे ऐसे अनहर्ड फील हो रहा था यार, वो मुझे सुनता ही नहीं था, मुझे उसकी टोन नहीं पसंद आई. एंड पीपल ऑटोमेटिकली बिलीव द सिंपलर लॉजिकल वन साइडेड स्टोरी, women included. एक अपनी लाइफ का एग्जाम्पल बताती हूँ. दिस वन गाय आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू अ फ्यू ईयर्स बैक, उसने मेरे बारे में लोगों को इतनी वन साइडेड, बहुत क्लीन तरीके से, बहुत ही सिंप्लीफाइड बातें बताई कि लड़कियों ने भी उसे बिलीव कर लिया. He twisted things in such a way that made him look logical, reasonable, calm, and मैं बन गई emotional, overreacting, sensitive. But behind all of that, the truth wasn't all black and white, na? And because he packaged his story way better than I did, people believed him. People believed the easier story. Not because वो मुझे कम जानते थे या वो उससे ज़्यादा जानते थे, but because उसकी story easy भी थी बिलीव करने में, और वैसे भी ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ता था, उसका वर्जन बेटर भी साउंड करता था डाइजेस्ट करने में. And as women are conditioned to trust a confident statement than an emotional one. Women are actually scared of being called the difficult woman. A lot of women avoid siding with women because उनको लगता है कि if they side with other women, they will be called emotional, difficult, dramatic, irrational, anti-men. So to avoid this conflict, they choose neutrality. But neutrality always ends up benefiting the more dominant side, which is usually the men. There's also a psychological angle of internalized misogyny in this situation. So internalized misogyny क्या होती है? Internalized misogyny is basically when women adopt beliefs about women which were created by a patriarchal system or society. And some examples are women lie more, women can't be trusted, women are dramatic, ड्रामा कर रही है, jealous है. So when a woman speaks her pain, other women unconsciously think, कहीं ना कहीं तो सोचती हैं, शायद ये ड्रामा ही कर रही है, कितना ओवर रिएक्ट कर रही है. फनी बात पता क्या है? Men don't have to do anything. औरत ही औरत की सबसे बड़ी दुश्मन बन जाती है. Women police other women on men's behalf, और especially in older generations. भाई आदमियों को क्या फ्री पास दिया हुआ है इन्होंने. I've seen so many aunties say that. उसने तो उम्र ले ली, उसे तो पता होना चाहिए था. चल आदमी को तो नहीं पता होता. उसने तो उम्र भी ले ली being regards to his wife or a lady. ब्रदर दोनों 60-60 साल के हैं, तो दोनों को सेम नॉलेज होनी चाहिए ना. औरतें दूसरी औरत को ऑटोमेटिकली सिचुएशन का वेट बियरर बना देती हैं. पता भी नहीं होगा ना, उसकी गलती होगी. और ये इंडियन सोसाइटी की बात नहीं है, इट हैपन्स इन एवरी कल्चर. अगेन दिस इज नॉट अबाउट ऑल मैन. बिफोर एनीवन क्राइज इन द कमेंट, लेट मी से इट वेरी क्लियरली. This is not about all men. Some men are emotionally mature, self-aware, and absolutely not doing this. I've seen my fair share of men who are not doing this. And maybe your situation is different. Maybe your ex was manipulative. Maybe she was insecure. Maybe the woman in your story was wrong. Maybe that female friend did act out of jealousy. Those situations exist too. But here I'm talking about a pattern that happens 8 out of 10 times. And if we keep pretending it doesn't exist, it will never change. And I want it to change. So at last, what happens when women actually stand together? Men are forced to be accountable. Gaslighting कहीं ना कहीं कम हो जाएगी. Women heal जल्दी करने लगेंगी. Friendships deep हो जाएंगी. Emotional abuse कम हो जाएगा, और एटलीस्ट एक्सपोज हो जाएगा. बिकॉज इफ यू टेल मी आई विल ओपन योर आईज ना, आई विल नॉट साइड विद अनदर मैन. Men don't fear strong women, they fear women who stand together, because उन्हें फिर अकाउंटेबल होना पड़ता है अपनी बातों का. So the next time you see a woman hurting, explaining, crying, or trying to explain a reality, don't think that she's being dramatic. And if you think, ask yourself, Am I seeing this as a drama because I was raised to think women are dramatic? Because when women start believing each other, supporting each other, and stop chasing for male approval, everything will change. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section if you want me to break down on internalized misogyny. And see you in the next one. I love you, toodles. Bye.